welcome to Livestream, everybody. Thanks for joining. Leave a comment so I can enter you into the raffle. Every live stream, every Saturday 1 p.m. live stream, I select 2 people in a raffle. It's random, and you could win a $20 Amazon gift card. So I'll email it to you. You just have to email me to claim it. You have to get picked twice to win in the raffle. Alternatively, I can do 2 fast DCF models of the ticker of your choice instead of the $20 Amazon gift card. So leave a comment. Thanks, Doc, for commenting. And if everybody could do me a big favor, Sean, just please go to this website. I'll write it in the chat. And just enter your email. You get a like an analyst report. It's good information. This one's about the housing market. The one I just put in there. You can get one about the bear market, the recession, uranium EVs, hyper growth stocks, cryptocurrency. I'll show. Here's the report of commodities. I downloaded it. So it's a professional looking report. It's good information. I read through a bunch of them. So it's a legit site. They're just trying to get more people to visit their platform. So it's interesting stuff. It's definitely worth it, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Just put your email, and then I get $3. Every time somebody puts their email in, I get $3. So you're helping me, and the more people that do these things, the more money I can give away. If you want to be really awesome, you can put your email onto all these sites and get the report for all 8. That would be amazing. So if you do win the raffle, you have to put your email in 7 to because that's how much I'm paying you, $20. Mosey Revo. Joe, you remember that job I mentioned? I took that job over the hedge fund. Bulldog Trading, what's up? Everybody subscribe to Bulldog. Well, I decided I only worked there for a month. So I worked there for 2 weeks, and I gave my 2-week notice. So I worked there for 4 weeks. So I'm going to start the hedge fund in July. I got to go with the money, right? That's all we care about is money. So hopefully I don't regret it. Add A to Z. I had a job for 3 days a couple months ago where they fired me. Kind of, they fired me. I mean, I was just like a temp. It was right near my house, so it seemed really good. And that didn't work out. And now this job, I'm leaving, so I can't hold down a job. I'm useless. Richard, what's up? We also care about helping people, which is what. Yeah, Bulldog is definitely very generous. People on a channel. One day they all donated to me, so that was. Yeah, make sure you leave a comment so I could put you in the raffle. And you have to get picked twice to win a raffle. I was looking at I thought Gazprom. I thought that went to like it went to like $1. But if I look back, it never didn't all the Russian stocks crash or got really low? But it doesn't look like it ever crashed. Did, maybe they just fixed the charts, but it did like come down a lot, right? Like really low. Like I thought it went down 90%. Thank you, Bulldog. Appreciate it. And if you want me to do a DCF for you now, it's $5, and I could run a DCF. It takes about 4 minutes. You can donate any amount you want, and I appreciate it. And if you donate below $5, I probably will do DCF, but it seems like the past few streams, it got kind of busy. So if I get a lot of requests and you donate under $5, I might not do the DCF. But if you donate 5 or more, I'll definitely do it. But the Gazprom ADRs crashed. Wait. I don't see. Oh, I guess they took it. It's delisted. The Gazprom ADRs. They're not. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Randy D. Yeah, Sim still looks good, right? It's hyperspace. Ashley S. Okay, so I got 14 people. And if you want to donate, I could do DCF. But if you don't want to donate, please just go to these websites and just put your email in, and you get a really nice report, and it's really good information. Okay, I guess we'll do the raffle. So you have to get picked twice to win. Richard C. Ed A to Z. Ashley S. Richard A to Z. I mean Richard. I could do 2 DCFs right now, or I could send you a $20 Amazon gift card. How did everybody do this week in the market? I'm sure everybody did bad, right? Did the market go down? I can't even look at it anymore. It's too disgusting. It's painful. It makes you feel stupid, right? It makes you feel like you don't know what you're doing. But everybody feels that way. Everybody's down. Yeah, it was up, right? The last couple of days. Merck. I don't own Merck, but I was thinking of buying it. I own a lot of Pfizer and Johnson and Johnson, not Merck. It's a good company, Merck. Um, Anybody own Merck here? I bought Johnson and Johnson in January of this year, and I think that's up, or at least it was up the last time I looked. Actually, it's probably gone down, like everything else. Merck. What's their big drug, Merck? Is it Keytruda? Is that Merck or? Okay, so it looks like I have 115 and they're at 93. Well, it's trading on its all-time high. I guess. Yeah, pharmaceutical stocks. Yeah, I probably got it around 170. So thank God I'm up. I should have invested in Facebook. God damn it, that's killing me. I put 100,000 in Facebook and 100,000 in Johnson Johnson the same day. And Johnson Johnson, I'm up about 10%. Facebook, I'm down 50%. Oh, boy, it's so painful. I'm not worried. I know. I'm sure they'll be fine in the long term. I'm not too worried. They have good price to earnings, good price to free cash flow. They're not growing as much as competitors are, or at least Pfizer and AbbVie. They rank 5th in market cap. KSS. Is that Kinross? Gold? Gold. WD. Yes. Thank you for the donation, Richard. I'll do WD and GLW. Coles. Is it the company that made the COVID pill? $20 billion. That's a lot of revenue. 18.6. Coles. Department stores. I got to start shorting stocks. It's hard to short stocks. It's hard to to time it right. I'm trying to think if I ever made money shorting a stock before. Oh, I did once. Yeah, I made a lot once. Okay. Okay. Anybody own Kohl's or Macy's or another department store? Pretty steady revenue. Not much growth. I'm not surprised it's undervalued so much, because you'll notice when companies kind of plateau, like their revenue either goes down or doesn't grow, it gets really pushed down the stock price. Lots of people sell off. Even if the company's making a lot of money, if they're like growing 20% year over year for like 10, 15 years, and then they go down to 5%, or even lots of people sell off because they think once there's kind of like once something like that happens, they assume it's going to keep getting worse. Like eventually they're going to start breaking even, like they're going to start flattening the revenue, and then eventually revenue will decline. But if they just have 1 quarter or 1 year where the revenue grows a lot, then the stock shoots right back up. It happened with Netflix and Facebook. Once they started just growing at 5% instead of 20%, the stock got cut in half. It is undervalued, but unless they start growing their numbers again, it probably won't get back up there. Because you see that revenue is at -1. I mean, they have a lot of revenue, 19 billion. Kohl's is going to be acquired, you're saying, for 50 to 60? So stock probably shot up. Wow, really came down. It's down at like 40%. Yeah. Yeah, if they Kohl's 8 billion takeover offer leaves room for month. Yeah, if it gets acquired and you own a stock, you'll make a nice return. Okay. So yeah, it definitely seems undervalued. W day. W day. What the hell is that? Oh, work day. 8.3. Talks to buy out. Yeah. That could be that could be big. That's a big acquisition. Workday. Software application. I bought new a couple weeks ago. I bought a lot of new. I hope that's the Brazilian fintech company, new. I mean, it's still coming down after I bought it, but I mean, I bought it at a huge discount. I mean, it was trading so much higher. Hey, MCon. So everybody, remember I took that job for instead of the hedge fund, I took that job at that other company where I kind of run the finance part. I was there for 2 weeks and I gave my 2-week notice. So July 5th, I'm going to start the hedge fund. So it's all about the money, right? That's what we care about. Hopefully, I make the right decision. Hopefully, I don't regret it. I'm gonna be working a lot more, a lot longer, but I don't really mind working more as long as I enjoy. I'm really surprised it's so close. I was expecting it to be really undervalued. Workday. Yeah, I like Appcelera. I bought Appcelera. I may buy more. So it was trading pretty much double what it was. It was about $300 at its peak in November. It's been cut in half. So it seems like, at least according to my model, it's trading at the right level. Like, I think it was way overvalued up here. They grow their revenue a lot. It's almost doubled since 2019. They have positive free cash flow. And why did they? Yeah, wow, it had a big jump on Friday. From the bottom on Thursday, it was 130, 135, and then went. They have pretty good ratios. Their price to free cash flow is better than average. And this dictates a lot of stocks, the revenue growth rate. Like, a company can be losing a lot of money, but as long as their revenue is growing, depending on the industry, usually like 20% or more, the stock's going to go up. But if it starts to drop to like under 10%, then there's usually a sell-off. GLW. Corning. 1.5. Corning. Anybody own Corning? GLW. LUCRF? That sounds like a penny stock. Thanks for the donation. LUCRF. The hell is that? Lucid? No, it's not Lucid, right? Lucid is LCID, right? Amari. P. Olaf. The boosted channel. Everybody sub to the boosted channel. Ace. Baba. That's another nightmare stock. $118. Oh, that's not too bad. It hit like 90 or 70 at one point, I thought. 78. That's not too bad. That's almost where I bought it at, I think. I might actually be pretty close to break even. I wanted to get it at 77. I had a buy order in like in the low 80s or high 70s. I was about to place the order, but I didn't do it. I got scared. Wow, that's really close. Almost exactly where they're trading at. That just shows you things used to be really undervalued. Now they're just trading at the right price. So this big market correction kind of adjusted everybody's stock price. But there are some companies that have gone down a lot, I think, that shouldn't have come down so much. Like maybe you could argue this stock belongs in the $30 range, not in the 40s. Where other stocks that drop like 30, 40%, I think they're going to come back up once everything kind of passes, but it could be another year or two before things pass. They're third in market cap of the companies in the industry. Their PE is worse than these two, but their price to free cash flow is better than the first two. Their revenue is 8% growth, which is average. Okay, let's do LUCRF. Everybody, just go to this website, wealthresearchgroup.com/Scott7/ just put your email in. You get a nice report about the housing industry, and then I get $3. LUCRF. You're already in the raffle. MCon. I'll add you again. Chris 7. I've never filled this up, this chart. This might be one of the most. I don't know, even think I got 30 before. Yeah, I have a feeling this might be a hard one to do DCF. $30K in ARC puts. Good luck with that. I hope you this is a junior mining company, Lucara Diamond. So junior miners have a market cap below 1 billion, and they just do the exploration and try to find where there may be metal at a location. And once they do, they usually sell the company or sell the project to a senior mining company, like Barrick Gold. If this company did gold, they might sell it to a company like that. But they have revenue. So some junior miners have no revenue. At least they do have revenue. I'm surprised I could get a value for this. It's usually hard to. So I'm at 153 and they're 51 cents. This probably wasn't them in the past. This probably was a different company in 2011. Lucara Diamond. Is a diamond exploration mining company founded in 2009. Lucara IPO. Okay, we'll do another raffle. George Peters. Okay. Okay, let's see. 6, Bulldog. $24, Mohammed Khan. 22, $26, Andreas. 22, the Booster Channel. So you can email me and claim your $20 Amazon gift card, or you can pick 2 tickers right now. Congratulations. So it's your choice. Yeah, Lumen. I did another video on Lumen recently. But since you won, make sure you go to these websites and put your email in, so you'll get a report, and that way, that'll help me pay for. Yeah, everybody, please just put your email in. You don't have to read the report if you don't want to. That one's about gold. This one's about crypto. This one's about hyper growth. Yeah, put any email. I don't care. Anybody else want a DCF? I did videos on Zim 2 days ago, and another shipping company today. What was that? Shit, I forgot the name of it. Oh, Starbulk. Yeah, Starbulk. Tomorrow is Himax. Yeah, it's strange, right? A PE of 1. But when you look at ratios, or when you look at most things, it's about the past. So you're looking at the past information, comparing it to today's stock price. So the past is not always equal to the future, but especially with shipping, it's really volatile. It's like the most volatile industry, it seems. CSV. 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 Carriage services. Carriage. Personal services. Okay, yeah, I'll email you a Amazon gift card. Zim had, yeah, their 2021 was just unbelievable, and they paid a really big dividend. So if you own the stock, you might have got all your money back just in the dividend payments. It is taxed at like 25% because you don't get the full dividend. It's like an Israeli tax. Ted's projects. Okay, that's good. Thanks for letting me know that. That's helpful. $79. Wait, let me fix this. Um, 15%. Okay. So I just try to make it a little more conservative because it's possible you could see it in like 2019, they converted 21% of their revenue into free cash flow, which is a bit high. So I lowered it a little bit, but it still seems undervalued. They have a really good PE, price to free cash flow. But you can see their revenue growth is only 8%. It seems like momentum is the biggest thing that moves the market. Like a company that doesn't have to be making a lot of money or losing a lot of money if momentum is in their favor. If they have like a few good quarters or some good news reports about the company, then people just start piling into the stock and just buy it, and the price shoots up, and then people are stuck holding the bag because it's going to come down eventually, because obviously it's artificially gets pushed up. So I'm still trying to figure out how to identify that momentum to buy or to sell. Look at this MediaFast. They have a 43% revenue growth. Let's see their chart. So the biggest company in their industry, Rollins, you can see how flat. Let's go further out. Okay, if you space it out in 5 years, they're pretty similar, but you can see it's a pretty volatile stock. It moves a lot. You can see 5 years ago, if you bought, say, $1,000 of each, with Rollins, it's kind of a steady growth. Of course, there's ups and downs, but overall, it's a pretty steady growth. Where this is all over the place. There's a big downs, big ups. It must have a high beta, like a 2 beta or something. That's 1.13. Surprising. Carriage services. They sell to Amish carriages to the Amish people. It's for funerals. The carriage services the way carriage isn't like any other network in the death care industry. It's fundamentally different. Carriage is built to enable and empower individual funeral homes and cemeteries to achieve the highest potential. What do they sell? Instead of dictating top-down decisions from corporate headquarters, Carriage offers the local funeral home and cemetery owner access to powerful industry information and resources. This includes HR, accounting, with direct contact to top operators. So they support like funeral homes. I mean, you don't hear that every day. I've never heard of a company. It's probably a pretty niche industry. An industry leader that currently operates 230. So it operates 230 funeral homes, cemeteries. Well, that's definitely a business that's always going to be around, because that's one thing that's guaranteed in everybody's life. They're going to die. So you're going to need somewhere to bury or cremate. It is pretty volatile, though. The numbers look pretty steady. It looks pretty safe investment. Yeah, I don't see you making a ton of money on this, but I could see. Well, I mean, I guess at the low it was. Why? So It's been around a while. In the 90s, it was in the 20s, and then I guess in the .com crash around that time, I mean, it really got hammered. $1. It looks like it maybe even fell to $1. So you would have had to sit on it from 2000 for at least a decade. It didn't really move too much over a decade. And why? Yeah, I guess you could have made a lot of money. I mean, if you could have got it under $5, you could have 10x'd. Yeah, interesting stock. I wouldn't have been on my radar at all. I wonder if they have competitors. I guess they must. CSV is buying funeral service business. Okay, well, thanks for joining. I still have to finish the video I'm working on. I'll see everybody next Saturday. Have a good rest of the day. I'll talk to you later.